I am playing with this random guy named Dorsal. I found him on the street, and now he's willing to play Minecraft with me. Jesus
Listen to me.
Christ!
L, L, L. I got in first. L. I was already inside. I was like 3 inches away from the barrier. Barrier? Wait,
I
what?
don't know what happened to you. Anyway, so let me make a little brief introduction to myself. I'm still alive, you fool, and forget what I said. You fool! I missed.
Not even close.
Okay, anyway, so my original channel was John Mariah, but I'm switching over to this because I want a fresh start. Ow! Ow!
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
See, you can tell he's a start to
You missed.
Minecraft. See, you can tell he's a start to Minecraft because he has a because he haven't. I can't speak. He has an Alex skin on,
You can't speak.
and he's also eating pizza rolls right now.
No, get back. Get back
me.
here. Bye-bye,
Ah!
Jojo. Goodbye, Jojo. Okay, he's out of here.
He also
Gavin's
like-
key trait is
he also
being
likes
bad at
ma-
Minecraft.
he likes making Persona references.
If you have eardrums, you're lying.
I'm so bad at this game.
I gotta go fast. Oh!
I fell in a hole!
No, I fell!
I fell in a hole! I can matrix! I can dodge! I can dodge! Ah! Oh.
The internal struggle.
I stopped sprinting.
I fell!
Ah! Don't hit me! I said don't!
Get out of here, pizza roll.
Oh, I hit my desk with my chair. Fall, 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 fall.
No, too good, too good, too good, too good.
Okay, I can make it first. I made it!
I don't know, that took me so long to bridge.
You fool!
God, these pizza... I'm mentally disabled. My pizza rolls are burning my fingers, so I can't jitter. Ow! I'm still alive. L, 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 suck it.
I don't
Get
care.
back.
I'm still gonna
Escape
make it.
RNR, escape RNR. Stop being... Okay, the bridge duels suck. Let's play do Skywars after this.
I think it's just because you're mad. Or you're bad. I didn't mean to place that there. I'm gonna punch you!
Thanks for the boost.
You're welcome. I'm such a kind person.
Very kind.
Oh, but like how I'm just like keeping my hand on the red clay.
You're just
If you lose your
keeping your
bad.
hand red clay. Get out of the way. Get out of my way.
If you win, then you're bad. No! I chased after you. All of that hard work for you to just SD. Oh.
I jumped down there. All that hard work for you to just SD.
I did all that. Yeah, you
Got
fool! I blocked myself off.
I can tell.
I'm thinking 3 steps ahead of you thinking 3 steps ahead.
You just walked off.
Ah! Boost me! Boost me! No! I couldn't sprint. Wait.
I boosted you all the way back to your base.
Oh, I forgot about my auto run.
Your auto run. Wait. Didn't Beijing Canadian get banned for auto run? I'm
Well, am I? Well,
okay.
am I a popular
Skywars duel.
gamer?
Skywars duel.
No, you're just salty that you won.
No. We're doing Skywars duels.
I'm
Skywars
salty
duel.
that he won. He's salty that he won.
What? That's not how it works.
Not to you, it is. Why are you jittering? Stop. I mean, I am. Where's my auto run?
I've returned to defeat you.
You fool!
Get back here.
Okay. Well, anyway, I plan on recording more videos with him, and if I don't, then well, I'm
I'm
just
gonna
probably
eat
because he
pizza
died.
roll. I'm gonna eat pizza roll.
Either that or you unfriended me because I kept spoiling.
Naracha doesn't die. If I score first, Naracha doesn't die. You hear that, Iraqi?
Oh yeah, he didn't die. He already did.
Shut up.
I'm not wrong.
Who asked you? Not me.
Yeah, I just told you. If I make it first, then he's already
Naracha
dead.
doesn't die.
He's already dead. I feel like we're
If
just
I make it
spoiling
first,
JoJo's in this
if I
video.
make it first, golden experience requiem can revive people.
Ugh.
Come on, this is a new stand ability.
No!
Get right. I don't have knockback, loser. See that when you have such bad Wi-Fi that your ping gets higher. Wait, I mean lower. Because like my ping is so bad, my Wi-Fi just cuts out like halfway through the match.
If I make it first and he doesn't revive
Escape
people...
escape our enter, right now, it's a glitch, it's a glitch.
I feel like I should just name this video Ending Friendships.
Call
Even
it
though it's my
Shiba,
first video, it's just Ending Friendships. You fool! I know how to sprint!
Call it, I'm quitting.
I made it!
I'm quitting. Call it, I'm quitting this channel after the first episode. Okay, if you win, that means it's a tie, and that means we play Skywars for the tiebreaker.
Oh, but I'm bad at Skywars. Sorry, just gonna let me win so that we play Skywars.
How did you place the block? That's impossible.
You
breaking-
fool!
Ah!
I have half a heart! I was eating! Would you attack a person while they're eating?
Too. Pizza roll.
I feel like this whole video is just like ironic. I live! You fool! You've activated my trap card. I can literally just walk back up. You fool! There's a... Never mind.
You accomplish nothing, yet you still accomplish nothing. Ow! Got him!
I'm alive! Nope.
I'm alive!
I feel like I should move my mic away from my mouth. If you make
Your
this,
microwave?
then you're
Yeah,
bad.
get your microwave away from your mouth.
If you make this, then you're bad. You're bad! He's bad!
That's not how it works, Gavin.
I'm not wrong.
If you make this, I score instead of you.
So you're gonna be at 4, but I already won. You fool!
Got him.
You fool! I died.
Bracka fool. Ah,
I
got him.
sniped you.
Not if
I
I
mean, I
snipe
can
you
just-
first.
I'm alive!
Die. No, you're not. Ow!
No!
Why you yell no? You killed me.
My yelling killed you, not me.
You didn't need to say no.
I'm gonna snipe you. I didn't.
Once again, you are incorrect. Thanks.
No! Wow, what? I call hacks. Okay. If you win, then you're bad.
Oh,
I'm really
He's
bad.
got me here.
I could
I'm
have won
cornered.
easily earlier, but I just didn't.
Why is that?
Oh, no,
You were holding back?
Skywars. You fool! Nope.
I'm stuck in a block. Gavin's playing on a computer. I'm playing on a pizza roll. I think I might have to retract that statement.
If you win, you're bad.
That's not how it works.
It's a game
my
of
God, that football is
it's a
so
game
hot.
of RNG. All right, we'll play Skywars. I'm not sure how long this video is, but I'm not gonna make it that long.
I'm slowly disintegrating from the
I'm
people.
not. Yeah, I'm not that good at this game. Alright, I feel like this first video is very bad, but whoever makes a good first video.
Me.
Shut it.
My first video, Steven Universe. Soundtrack.
Wow, I got the only I got the only piece of armor that I didn't need. Wow, I got the only piece of armor I didn't need. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that every time I get something useful. Wow, I got the only piece of armor I didn't need. I'm just getting boots! I don't need boots! Wow, I got the only piece of armor I didn't need. What are you doing? Are you even here?
Yeah?
Like, in the game. Oh. Alright, there's an arrow pointing to where you are. Wow, I got the only piece of armor I didn't need.
I got the best. I got a Requiem arrow.
Right, it's pointing to where you are. I swear, you're just gonna like snipe me. Whatever will I do?
You will quit.
I don't know why I fell for that.
Stay very still. No, wait, you can just see on the top. What a scam.
Oh. Ah! 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 You're... Oh. Oh, that's an EXP farm for me. Am I gonna die first? Yeah, I am. I did
That
all
was
that hard work. You're
the
at
best
1
strategy.
HP! Okay, 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 I'm not done yet. One more final battle, and then I'm gonna end this video, because I feel like it's getting too long for a first video.
Your pearls.
Wait, wasn't your first video just like you building?
Yep. 100 views.
Oh, my first video had a lot of views. I think. I forgot what my first video was.
I mean, when I made that video, you just accused me of like every crime.
What?
Like, I can't believe it. I knew it. You were cheating all along. That's how you were able to get 100 views of a
I
bit
got boots!
boring.
I don't need boots!
I'll take them. Give them to me.
No.
Dang.
Foiled again.
The others. You know, other people have feelings too.
No, they don't. Ah! 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 Ah!
I tickled your dad.
Ah! Wah! I didn't have enough loot. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. As you can see, Dorsal is extremely bad at this game. Actually, you know what? Sure, rematch. I feel like my strategy is just, like, really bad. Am I actually gonna get useful armor this game? Nope, I got boots.
I got boots. Boots are good.
I already have boots.
Uh-oh, I am so very sorry for your loss.
I know. Cry louder.
I'm crying IRL.
Okay, well, cry louder, IRL.
Oh man, he got me there. I thought you just walked off.
No, 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 no! I'm not gonna let you get this kill. No! So all I want is to win. All I want is to win. This is the most intense comeback.
No, it's not a comeback.
Once I win, all of your wins are gonna be like, you know, forgotten, destroyed.
Cut out of the video.
Yeah, it's just gonna be that one final battle of me just winning. Or I'm just gonna cut to me winning.
Alright, and then like while you're falling in the void on the first fight, you're just gonna like cut to you on the win screen. Good thing I entered my alternate dimension.
Good thing I entered my alternate dimension before I died. God, I got like the worst loot.
You have full diamond armor, bro.
No, I don't. I don't have. God,
Lag,
stop.
get ghosted, get ghosted.
He's healing. I call hacks. He has ender pearls. I call hacks. Two reasons why I'm bad at this game. One, I barely play it. Two, I'm just overall bad at my. I got boots.
I don't even have a strategy. I just play Smash Bros and spam PK Fire.
No, I'm talking. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna lose anyway, so.
Jeez, it's been so long since I played Minecraft.
Yeah, I forgot to pay. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot which button's the space bar. Can I get like an actually? No. Okay.
No.
Where are you?
Fight me up here like a real man.
There's not even a sword here.
Fight me up here like a real man.
Okay. Let me just get up there first. Okay. Well,
Okay.
that didn't work. Ah!
Get up there first. Come on.
I can let you just see where you are, and you can see where I am too.
Well, I'm accomplishing a lot by being up here.
True. I swear, you're just gonna hit me off once I get up there.
I would never. Me? Impossible.
You fool! You fool! Actually, I'm gonna die first. I won!
I
I won!
I had 2
Alright.
HP and
Alright,
I
guys, I hope you
ended
enjoyed
up.
this video. Make sure to check out this one. I might put Dorso's channel in the description. Who knows? Right? I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video because I don't feel like it needs editing because I won every single game. So, yeah. And,
I
well,
cut out the ones that
goodbye.